Introducing the QCF-600 Torque Tester, an industry-leading tool designed to measure torque values with precision and reliability. This advanced torque tester from Advanced Witness series boasts a wide range of features that make it an indispensable asset for quality control and testing applications. The QCF-600 Torque Tester offers an impressive torque range of 60 to 600 lb-ft, making it suitable for various applications in different industries. Equipped with a 3/4-inch square drive, this torque tester can accommodate a wide range of sockets and attachments, providing versatility for different fastening tasks. The QCF-600 allows for bidirectional torque measurement, enabling the testing of both clockwise (CW) and counterclockwise (CCW) torque values. This torque tester offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, to cater to different testing requirements. The QCF-600 features a user-friendly interface with a large backlit display, making it easy to operate and read measurements. With its accuracy of 1%, the QCF-600 ensures precise and reliable torque measurements every time. Invest in the QCF-600 Torque Tester and elevate your torque testing capabilities. Its versatility, accuracy, and ease of use make it an essential tool for professionals in various industries.